day. So we went from the north, which is Sapa and Hanoi, freezing cold. Now we're going to the central of Vietnam, which is Miền Trung, and we're in Da Nang right now, and just chilling on the beach for like half a day. And it's so beautiful here, guys. So I'm just going to show you around. Okay? Everywhere I go, I need this long last, guys. It's so useful because whether it's raining, cloudy, or sunny, the hat comes in handy. So it's been like at least years since I've been to the beach, and this is the first time coming back to Vietnam out of all the years that I've been here that the weather is nice. So this is the very first time that I'm actually going to swim on the beach. And if you ever want to go on a vacation and just have a really nice beach relaxing, you gotta come back to Vietnam, guys. Mexico, no offense, but Vietnam is like way cheaper, way beautiful, in my opinion, okay? No offense taken, but the scenery here is just absolutely beautiful. And there's Nha Trang and Da Nang, but I personally like Da Nang more because it's so, people are so nice here, everything is, just love it. This would be the city that I would like to retire when I'm older, but gotta work hard and make money. So let me show you around, okay? Alrighty, so here we are chilling on the beach. So you're gonna see how this is how we have a little bit of relaxing time. Over there that you see, it is the Buddha temple by the mountains, tượng Phật Quan Âm over there. And this is Da Nang. Is the whole city of Da Nang is surrounded by ocean like this. As you can see, everywhere here is tourists from all over the world, guys. So people really enjoy and love Vietnam, which makes me very happy. Khoa and then Hoàng somewhere out there, and Sherry is gonna be here soon. So me, I'm just sitting here chilling. This is so nice. So greetings from Vietnam, everyone. I hope this brings you some warmth. I know that Toronto had a big snowstorm, so I hope this beautiful weather bring you some comfort. So if you guys want to take a vacation to a nice, beautiful place to relax and enjoy the beach, I highly recommend you try Vietnam. So just sitting here, relaxing and watching people walking back and forth. There's a lot of tourists, like everywhere I see is tourists. So people are just relaxing, and people have been here since like the whole afternoon. Absolutely beautiful, guys. I'll share some photos after. Okay? Well, happy Monday, Toronto. I miss you. I will see you very